How to share Google Forms responses with others? If you have created Google Forms and you have got responses from others and you want to share the Google Form responses with others, then let me show you the three methods. The first way it is by adding the collaborators. For that, you need to tap on the three dots next to send button and now tap on add collaborators. And on this box, you need to add people, groups, and calendar events. You can enter the email address. So this will notify the people. Now the editor will be able to view and delete form responses. If you want to change the settings, you can go to settings and you can on check mark any option if you want to change the settings. After you have done that, you can tap on the send button. So now this was the one way to share Google Forms responses with others. The next method you can do is you can print the responses. For that, go to three dots again and here tap on print. So here you need to customize the printing options. Here you can see the preview option as well. You can select the printer, the copies, orientations, pages, colors, paper size and the print size as well, and click on the print at the bottom of the. So this is the second. Before that, you can tap on three dots next to the preview and tap on save as PDF. You can edit the Google Forms title here, and you can also customize the PDF name here and tap on the save button. Once you have saved it as PDF, so after that you have saved to the PDF, you can email it to the user that you want to share the Google Forms responses to. So the third way you can do is you can link the Google Form responses to the sheets. For that, you can tap on view in sheets, and once the sheets open, at the top you can see the share button. Tap on it. Then after that, again you can add people's email address here, or you can also copy the link. You can customize the settings again. You can save it them as editor, or if you don't want, you can also tap on viewer or commenter. Let's select it as viewer and tap on send button. So now when they gave the email of this Google Forms responses, they can easily view the Google Form responses. So that's how we can easily share the Google Form responses with others using the three methods. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.